How to merge clips in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. After you have opened CapCut, click on New Project in here. After you have clicked on New Project, select the video you want to merge. After you have selected the video, press on Create Video at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, it will lead you to Editing Video option. There is no one way to simply merge the video. What you can do is click on the white box in between the videos. Then you'll find Transition at the bottom. Click on Mix. After you have pressed on Mix, simply click on the tick mark and it will be added. After that, you're good to go. There is no one way to merge, but this mix will make it as if your videos are merged. And this is how to merge clips in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.